Hello children, in this video I will teach you the motion of the earth. Do you know what is the meaning of motion? Motion means the movement of the earth. So our earth, look, this is the picture of our earth and we all are living on the surface of the earth, means on the top. Look, this boy and girl is standing on the surface of the earth. So this is the picture of our earth. Earth is our planet. So how the earth moves and how it rotates means this movement, this motion of the earth moves in two ways. So how can we get an idea from this type? The earth is our planet, so how this planet moves and how it looks like, we can get this idea from another thing. What is that thing? That is our globe. So look at the picture of a globe. I will see you. Wait, yes, this is the picture of a globe. Look how the globe is look like. This globe is a miniature of an earth. That means this is a model of an earth. So after seeing this globe, all of you have the globe, I think. So this globe helps us to get the idea, the how it moves, how it looks like, and what is the top and what is its axis looks like. In this way it shows us. So we can say in that way that this globe is a representative of an earth, or this globe is a model of our earth. So whatever we can say about this globe. So this globe gives us an idea about the earth, how it's move and its movement. So now this motion is two types. What are they? One motion is known as rotation and another one is known as revolution. So let's see, these two movement means these two motions influence life on the earth in different ways. How? Look at the picture now. I will give you one picture. This is the revolution. So what is that? You see how the earth moves around the sun. This is the revolution. This is not the rotation. So it moves from one part to other. So this is the rotation. This is the revolution. So when this revolution happens, so on its, and this is the one stick is there. Look at the earth. There is a one stick and that stick is known as axis. So earth two spins around the imaginary line and this line is totally imagined. We imagine. So this imaginary line is known as an axis. So look, that is the earth and in the middle of the earth there is a pin. Okay, there is one stick is there. So that stick is known as axis. Clear? So now the two ends of the axis. So one end at the top and one end at the bottom. This up and that the top of the stick and the bottom of the stick are known as, the top of the stick is known as North Pole and the bottom of the stick is known as South Pole. Okay, so it spins from west to the east. This movement of the earth is called a rotation. When it moves on its when the earth moves on its own axis. Look, the earth is spinning. This is the movement, the earth is spinning. So when the earth is spinning, so this spins from west to east. This movement is known as the rotation. So when the earth completes one rotation in 24 hours or one day it takes. Okay, so it takes to complete one rotation, it takes how many hours? 24 hours or one day, we can say. So next, what is revolution? So again I repeat, this one is a revolution when the earth moves around the sun. So this is the picture of a revolution picture, this one. So up to this I will completing my explain. I will tell you that in the next video I will tell you that how it affects, how it influences the life, how it influences the life on the earth in different ways. Okay, thank you.